Equipped for work. Everything for your workplace. Sprint Mesh Office Chair Assembly Guide. Included in the box are backrest, seat pad, 5-star base, mechanism, gas strut, 5 casters, a pair of arms, headrest, 6 25mm bolts, 4 20mm bolts, 4 40mm bolts and washers, 1 Allen key, 2 low-angled bolt caps, 2 high-angled bolt caps. To start, take the 5-star base and insert the casters into the holes, pushing firmly until they click. Turn the base over and drop the gas strut into the centre. Align the armrests with the guide holes in the backrest and secure using 4 of the 25mm bolts. Do not fully tighten these bolts until they're all inserted. Insert the low-angled bolt caps into the holes at the bottom of the arms and insert the high-angled bolt caps into the holes at the top. Next, lay the backrest down, facing up towards you, and align the seat pad with the guide holes in the bottom of the armrest frame. Secure with the 4 40mm bolts and washers. Do not fully tighten these bolts until they're all inserted. Attach the mechanism to the seat pad using the 4 20mm bolts, making sure the arrow on the mech is pointing to the front of the seat. Again, do not fully tighten these bolts until they're all inserted. Next, with the help of another person, lift the chair onto the gas strut. You should feel it slot into the hole in the base of the chair. Then, using the 2 remaining 25mm bolts, align the headrest with the guide holes at the top of the backrest and secure. We recommend you use the Allen key provided and not an electric screwdriver, as this can strip the threads. Please keep the Allen key to check the bolts every 6 months to ensure they're tight, and tighten any if they've come loose. And there you have it. Your new Sprint Mesh office chair is ready to use. From Equipped for Work. Everything for your workplace.